Guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to play Roblox with my brother.
Why do you always do that and you never actually upload the video?
I'm going to upload this video. Okay, guys?
Okay. Beta, he's not gonna upload. Do not listen to this Ohio bozo.
Guys, he's like a sussy man. Don't listen to him. He's
I'm
griefing
not a
the
sussy
server.
man. He's a sussy baka.
He's griefing a server.
I haven't griefed about. He's the one that's been using creative on our survival.
No, you are griefing me. Can you join the team? Join me.
Yeah. Don't.
I don't see your name. What is the name of the game? No, you're not playing them. So download Roblox and sign in. Sign in. Oh, what? I did it already, man. It's tough. It's flat. Nothing important, like stupid, man. You know what? It maybe not be stupid because I just don't know how to use this call, man. WhatsApp is like way better than Discord, man.
Yeah, but that's not like. Actually, yeah. Kind of.
Not kind of. It's a truth. A reality. A virtual reality in a universe.
Dada. What?
Gaga Dhoni, man. Right, see? This is happening because you not like my video. So please subscribe for more brain rot and click content. Kidding, guys. I want to break my record. I want to break my record. I want to break my record so bad. What? Thank you, man.
No, I want
Thank you, man.
It's not letting me sign anything that.
You don't know your password or something? My passkey is. Should I say it?
I don't know how to say it. No, bro, that's not what passkey was.
I came fourth.
Oh, it's not even working. It's so skibbity
Guys, I came fourth.
Finally.
Please subscribe so I can come first. Oh my god! Why is it lagging so hard? Oh my god! Oh my god, that's that. I got that. Finally! Make an alt then, man. Make an alt. Make an alt and whenever you don't use your mouse phone, you use this. Oh yeah, new experience, man. Hardly I think so. Oh my new record. Guys, look, man.
Someone.
Guys, I think I'm not gonna put my record by just 3 seconds, man. I'm good.
Are you playing that game?
Yeah.
Get off my budget, get off my level.
It's okay, man. Don't do it. It patches the glitches, man.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. I'm good.
What is this?
Oh my god, this is breaking my records every time.
Okay, I'm recording a video. Okay, well, I'm filling the ball all the way down. They don't hear you.
I'm not even going to do that because I don't want to get disturbed while driving. Charged it. Hello. So what's up?
Okay, hey guys, I'm in the right now, and we'll take this server. It's called, it's called, we do it.
Darshi, what did you say? Darshi, what did you say?
Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. So today we are playing this server. It's called Nomad SMP. I have heard of it. It's kind of new, but it's pretty good. So I guess I'll just play it. So oh no, it's not here. Okay. So okay, now I can fill up him. Okay. Hello.
Darshi?
Okay, anyway, I was making my intro, bro. Chill out.
What's that nomad thingy?
Oh, by the way, I have a new texture pack on, guys. So if it looks weird, it's just my new texture pack. Oh, they have two particular. I hate these jumper duty skills.
Darshi, what SMP are you playing, man?
It's called Nomad SMP on Blocks.
Can you play Roblox, man?
Oh wait, I'm recording a video. Chill out. Actually, fine, guys. Today we can play some Roblox.
Yippies!
But now I need to redo my intro for like the third time. So sorry, guys. This SMP is kind of boring. Oh, and we will be doing a face reveal on Adidas. I'm kidding, guys.
Okay, Baba, okay.
The next one will take it. Let's see what is going on. I'm thinking right now. Can we find it on Roblox? Let's see, just make a new account.
Oh my god, chill out.
Make a new account, man. Okay, bye guys.
So, hold up.